With the Reflash, you will need two things. You will need the latest Carve Pro Gerbil file. You can download it from here. It'll come down as a zip folder. You will also need a version of the Arduino. Just pick the right one for your computer. I already have both of these downloaded. For the Gerbil file, it'll come in as a zip file, which you will then extract. You will then need to go into that folder and compress that Gerbil file. You can see I have done all of that here. If you don't have a quick way to compress, you can just use the file that we send you. We just have to make sure it is the current Carve Pro firmware. Once you have those installed, you can open up your Arduino and you can add a zip library. So this is on my desktop and try to open that up. Okay, that's installed. You will then need to go to File, open that Gerbil upload. Make sure you have the Arduino Mega or ATmega installed or selected. If you're using a Windows computer, you will probably also have to select the port. From here, everything should be good to go. You're going to hit this forward button to upload. Just wait for this to upload and should be complete. Once that is complete, you can then go to easel and make sure you have the right machine selected. You should be good to go.